Hello everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we're making strawberry tomato bruschetta, a great appetizer or anytime snack. Combine 1 cup diced strawberries, 1 cup diced tomatoes, and 1 cup diced cucumbers together. Now let's make the vinaigrette dressing. See how easy and quick this recipe comes together? The flavor of fresh strawberries, tomatoes, and cucumbers go very well together, which gives a special taste to the bruschetta. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my other strawberry videos and subscribe to my channel. Happy eating and see you next time!